standard battery. Oh yeah, definitely faster. Now, supposedly the new Ryobi have the technology built into them, so it doesn't need the extra connectors for the HP batteries. But watch this. Definitely a little faster. Not a huge difference, but it's noticeable. Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun video lined up for you guys. Head-to-head I've been waiting to do forever. Alright, we have, on the right side, we have the Ridgid subcompact impact driver. On the left side, we have the Ryobi subcompact impact driver. Now, both of these impacts have 2,900 RPMs, but there's a big difference in the impacts per minute. So stick around the end and see which one has more impacts. Hit that intro. First test, we have the 6-inch SPAC screws. Fresh holes. These are pressure treated 4x4 posts. Put the right battery on here. Alright, both impact drivers are using the same DeWalt bit. Both fully charged up 2.0 batteries. Alright, we'll do Ryobi in the right first and then we'll switch. Ready, get set. Holy crap. Those things rattle and make so much noise, it's not even funny. We definitely need to switch to something smaller than the SPAC screws because these just can't handle that. Did you see how long that took? Most impact drivers, it takes like 4 seconds. That's crazy. I feel like these are a bit underpowered. Let's try that one more time, guys. I'll switch hands this time, and I just slapped on the high performance batteries. Fully charged. Both of these have the 21700 cells in them. See if that makes a difference. Okay. It gets set. Contact. Big difference with the bigger batteries. Holy cow. These batteries just put out so much more power, it's not even funny. Now some of you guys might say, what's the point of this, Al? This doesn't prove anything. There's inconsistencies in the woods. I mean, there's a knot right here. There could be a knot in here. It doesn't prove anything, guys. It's for science. Like I say, it's for fun. It's for entertainment purposes only, to see what the drills can do. Or impact drivers, excuse me. My daughter calls them drills. Say, Daddy, drill? So the Ryobi has Ryobi bit holder. The Ridgid has the Milwaukee bit holder. These are thinner 5-inch SPACs. All right, see what we can do. Ready? Batteries are fully charged up. Go. Well, have you guys figured out which one has the more impacts per minute yet? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with Ridgid. You get a rough idea how fast each of these can do this. We'll do the Ridgid first, guys. It's fully charged up 3.0 battery. Oh, excuse me. It's down 1 bar. All right, here we go. Start the clock. Ready? These little stars are hard to line up. Start the clock. Ready? Go. The last test, we'll just do these 3-inch spacks just to see if we can do it a little bit easier since they're smaller. We'll time the Ryobi, then we'll switch and do the Ridgid. Okay? Get set. Even these smaller screws, it seems to have a lot of problems with. Holy crap, this thing loud. There you go, guys. There's really not much to show on them. I mean, there's no settings. They're just variable speed trigger. Pretty simple, straightforward. Pull the trigger and go. No fancy settings, nothing. The Ridgid is definitely smaller, but it also has, I think, 400 more impacts per minute, which you can definitely tell the speed as it sinks the screws. Well, there you go, guys. What can I say? The Ridgid took it. Has 400 more impacts per minute. Other than that, they're almost identical. I bet you took them apart on the inside. They're probably almost identical on the inside. I feel like the Ryobi's housing is just kind of, I believe it's this, but with a little bit of plastic over it. Almost identical tools, guys. Would expect they're both made by TTI. I was at Home Depot 2 days ago when I was buying the this one, the new impact wrench. And I told her, yeah, let me get the new impact wrench there, the Ridgid one, because they keep them locked up now. And the guy's like, gotta be 18, you know, just freaking greener than green, wet behind the ears still. He's like, we call these the Prosumer tools. I'm like, oh, you do? Thanks, buddy. Thanks for telling me, because I have no idea what I'm doing. It just cracks me up, you know. When you go to Home Depot and these people ask, can I help you? It's like, no, because you don't know shit. Do you know the difference between a 3-inch deck screw or a 6-inch spack screw? No. Do you know the difference between a 1/2-inch piece of particle board versus MDF? No. You know, it just cracks me up. They don't know nothing. How can you work at a hardware store if you don't know what the tools and materials you're selling? It drives me bonkers. Anyways, that's my rant, guys. I like them both. Is this worth $120 kit? No, should be like $50 in my opinion. It's all plastic. I mean, it's okay. This one I like a little bit more, but is it still worth $129 for the kit? No. $75, $90, that should be the price on these guys. That's how I feel. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Next up, I got the Ridgid subcompact impact wrench. We're going to be doing this. I'm going to be changing my differential fluid in my truck. I want to see if this can bust loose those bolts. It should be able to. They're only like tightened to 30 foot-pounds. It was able to take out my lug nuts on my truck. That was pretty impressive. Those are torqued over 100, like 130? Can't remember. Pretty sweet little impact. I like it a lot. It's got 4 modes on it. We'll go over this later. Full video coming up on this. Alright guys, that's my little video. Don't forget, hit the like button. It lets YouTube know you like my content. Hit the bell notification. Guys, there's only like 7% of you guys are subscribed, so hit the subscribe button. Guys, come on, subscribe. I went on my analytics, I'm like, really? It's like 3% of my views come from non-subscribers. It's actually pretty funny. So subscribe, peeps. Come on. All right, much love, guys. Stay safe. Don't let Rona get you. See ya.